Hey everybody, one more example to show you, and this one's really important because it has a twist and a nuance that the other examples do not have. And all right, let's get this out of here. Specifically, that's an execution of this fourth rule: multiply all numbers by something to get rid of a decimal place. Okay, yes, decimals are a big thing here. Let's jump right into this one because my wife needs the webcam soon. All right, so carbon coming in at 82.76%. We'll just rewrite that carbon at 82.76 grams. That's always the first step. Make the percents into grams. If they're already grams, you're good. Hydrogen, we're going to say 17.24 grams. Wonderful. Second step, change these masses both into moles by dividing each of them by their respective formula mass from the periodic table. Carbon's formula mass on the periodic table, 12.01 grams per mole. Hydrogen's formula mass from the periodic table, 1.01 grams per mole. Let's get Captain Calculator in on the picture here. Excuse me. 82.76 divided by 12.01, going to give us 6.8909. Leave a bunch of decimals. 17.24 divided by 1.01, going to give us 17.06930. Wonderful. Change these into whole numbers by dividing by the smallest. 6.89092 is the smallest. So we'll divide each of these numbers by that. 6.89092. There's some thumping from upstairs. The natives are restless. This one we're going to get 1. 17.06930 divided by 6.89092 is going to give us, this is where things get interesting. 2.47, wow, focus. 2.477. At this point, you might be tempted to round 2.477 down to 2, because the rules of rounding might tell you to do that. Hi there.
Mom needs the camera.
All right, Mom has to wait just a few more minutes. I'll give her the webcam shortly. I'm in the middle of recording something right now. I'll be done quickly. Go. 2.477, you might be tempted to round that to 2 or even 3 if you round wrong, but do not. This is actually extremely close to 2.5. That's right. I know what the rules of rounding tell you, that the 4 tells you to just round it down to 2, but that's not going to give you a very accurate answer. The closest thing to this is 2.5. With practice, you'll know when this is the case. Okay? So what do you do with 1 and 2.5? Oh, I know. Let's round the 2.5 up to 3. Wrong. When you have a nice round, even decimal place like this, this is where you invoke the fourth rule. We want to take this 1 and the 2, this 1 and the 2.5, and we want to multiply them both to kind of upgrade them both to a whole number ratio. How do you know what to multiply them by? Well, you look at this number here. This number has a half. It's easy to turn a half into a whole number by multiplying by 2. So we're going to multiply both of these by 2. And so carbon upgrades to a 2. Hydrogen upgrades to a 5. 2 and 5 have the same ratio as 1 and 2.5. And this, therefore, gives us the answer, C2H5. Once again, a great way to check your answer is to take this formula and determine the percent composition. If you get numbers close to these, you've done it correctly. Yes, there's some judgments to be made and other mathematical decisions, and they're not easy, and there's areas for mistakes. So a good way to check your progress, to check to see if you've judged correctly, is to determine the percent composition the way that you learned last week, and to be patient and to keep trying again, and to ask me for help. Send me questions and confusions that you might have. If I have to make a separate video just to show one example, I will do that. That is all for now. I can give my wife the webcam, and I can say to you all, have a nice day.